Okay, guys, we're going to do some more division today. This is going to be lesson 22, which we will start with the problem set tomorrow in class. First thing we're going to do is to round it. So we're going to take that 590 divided by 17. 17 I'm going to round to 20, and then I'm going to make this 600. Cancel a 0, cancel a 0. 2 goes into 6. 3 times, and I'm left with a 0. So we've got an estimate about 30. So this is going to be a little bit different today. Our answer is going to be about 30, so that'll give us a little bit of a hint of where to start. For our actual, we're going to take 590, and we're going to put 17 out in front. 17 can go into 5, 0 times. Now I got to look at 17 going into 59. Well, I have the 3 here. So first I'm going to try 17 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So I've got 51. If I added another 17, that's going to give me more than 51. So I'm going to go with my 3. 51. Subtract 9, take away 1 is 8. Add a 0. Okay, here's where we got to think now. We want 17 going into 80. So I'm going to think about 17 being 20. If I had 20 and it went into 80, it'd be about 4 times. So now I'm going to try 17 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 is 68. I probably can do one more, so I'm going to just check that to be careful. I'm going to do 17 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 1 is 5. 6, 7, 8 is 85. Oh, too much. So I'm going to use 4. 4 times 17, if we look, is 68. We're going to subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. So we get 34 with a remainder of 12. And then we're going to check it. 34, multiply that by 17 is 28. 21, 22, 23. Add a 0. 4, 3. We get 8, 7, 5. Add on 12. 590, it matches. So 34 is close to 30. Okay, second practice one for the lesson. 887 divided by 27. 27, I see 30 first. So if I see 30, I'm going to make this 900. Divide, divide. 3 goes into 9 3 times. Add on a 0. So we're going to do about 30. Okay, actual. So we have 27 on the outside, 887 on the inside. 27 cannot go into 8, 0. 30, if I think of that about 3 times, is going to give me 90, so it might work. So I'm going to try 27 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6. 7, 81. Yeah, I can't put 27 more on. So that's going to be a 3. We get 81. Subtract 8, take away 1 is 7. Bring down the 7. So we know that 27 times 3 is 81, but I only have 77. So now I got to try 27 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So I'm going to put a 2 above the 7. 54. 3, 2, 23 is less than 27, so I get 27 with a remainder of 23, and then I'm going to check it. 32 times 27, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, add 1 is 22, 0, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do you appreciate? Sorry, that's what I saw there. uh, then we're adding on 23, 7, 8, 8. It matches our dividend. We are good for that one. And we have one more to practice today, which is 839 divided by 41. Thanks, Sophia. Okay, I see 40 here, so I'm going to make that into 800. Cancel, cancel. 4 goes into 8 twice. About 20. Now we're going to do our actual 41. How many times can that go into 839? Since it's about 20, I'm going to try 41 times 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. We get 82. Good. That's less than 83. So I can put a 2 there, which gives me 82. And when I subtract, 3 take away 2 is 1. Bring down a 9. So now we have 19. This is a different one. Can 41 go into 19? No. Sorry, I was waiting for somebody to say that. And no. Okay, 41. So this becomes a 0. 0 times 41 is 0. And when I subtract, I'm left with a remainder of 19. So now we check it. 41 times 20. 0, 0. Add a 0. 2, 8. I get 820. Add on 19. Gives me 839. And guys, that is lesson number 22. And Isaiah would like me to let everybody know that our special guest today was Mrs. Hayward at the copier.
Wait. Before you end.